Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's really easy. It is the red button that's right below the video. You press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's that simple. Nobody writes to you, nobody calls you. It's solely to help me on the YouTube platform. However, if you do want to receive a notification from YouTube via email just once that I just uploaded a new video, you just press the bell, and that's as simple as it is. All right, hopefully you will choose to subscribe because it really will help me. So here we go. Today, as I've mentioned, if you watched a couple of my previous videos, there was a little bit of a problem with the IPSY Ultimate during the month of October. If you're not familiar with any of that, you can watch some of my previous videos, my Ultimate unboxing, as well as my email response from them when I did have a problem. So, hence, we're going to do a small giveaway. What I ended up getting was a couple of duplicate products, and because they were duplicates, I wanted to share that with you guys. And all you've got to do is make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, that your account is public, so that I'm able to verify that you did subscribe, as well as follow me on Instagram. And Instagram, it is TrueWants with the number 2. All you've got to do is leave a comment down below that you did those 2 things, and then you're in. It's as simple as that. I'm also going to be pulling the winner at the end of October, and I will do a video as well as marking in the comments who the winner is, so everybody will know, as well as the people that, the person that won. All right, I'm really excited about this because it's really cool and good stuff, and it's the gorgeous bag that came in the Ultimate Glam Bag Plus. They had a duplicate bag in the Glam Bag Plus as well as in the Ultimate. It's the one that has that gorgeous back as well as the Betty Boop and the zipper. It's completely red inside, and it has the logo of Betty Boop with IPSY. So this is the first item that's going to be in there. The second item is this Betty Boop Cheek and Highlight Palette. It is completely sealed. I never opened this one. I'm going to be showing you the one that I do have, which is this one here. This is what it looks like from behind. It has a full mirror in here, as well as this plastic. These are the colors that are in there. I have worn this a few times already, and I'm absolutely loving it. That's why I wanted to do this giveaway, because these are products that I have been enjoying. I will do a quick swatch so you guys will see what you'll be getting. It is those 3 colors here and on my hand over here. Absolutely love these. So that's in here. And then the final item that's in here is this mascara from Drugstore, which is the coolest concept. The top part of this has a curler in it to help you curl your eyelashes, and it's small enough that you can do just the ends, and if you want to do all 3, what I do is I press it once, twice, and a 3rd time. But sometimes I just press it once and solely on my ends. This is also completely sealed, never opened, but I will show you mine. So, just so that you know when you get this how this little guy operates. The top part is the part that has the mascara, has the wand. It has a clicker part on the back here, and when you do that, you can see that that little guy goes up. So you literally put it this way towards your eye, you put your eyelashes in there, and it is not painful. It is really cute. It's actually really good. So that's the item here. And then if you twist it down, the actual mascara wand and the mascara is right underneath. And it is a nice brush wand. It has a little bit of a dent in the middle, but I'm really enjoying this brush. So this to me is a really great duplicate of the product. I do have a lot of mascaras. That's why I'm not keeping the second one. And as you know, to go through blushes or palettes like this, it takes a long time. So I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys. So once again, this is the giveaway. It is the complete blush and highlighter palette with a mascara, and of course, the fantastic Betty Boop bag. Once again, this is a giveaway, and we're going to make sure that we're so excited to do this. So what you just have to do is make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you are public. If you don't know how to be public, just go to your settings and it'll put you through the right areas where you got to go. So you just have to make sure that wherever it says private, you make it public, and that's it. As well as subscribe to me on Instagram and leave in the comments that you have subscribed to my channel, and then give me your Instagram name as well, so I'll be able to verify both. Once again, there's one winner, and I will be choosing that winner at the end of October. Good luck to everybody. I hope this is something that you're interested in. I'm so happy that I'm able to share it with you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, take care everybody. Bye-bye for now.